I went to my primary care doctor for 3 years with the same symptoms: pain and fatigue, terrible fatigue. My primary care talked to me about eating and exercising as a way to solve my pain. He was making a good deal of assumptions about my lifestyle, and many times he shamed me. I knew there was something wrong with me, but I could not put my finger on it. And I knew my primary care was not listening to me. He kept blaming me. He even made me cry. He suggested that everything I was experiencing was due to the lack of control of my weight. If I would just stop eating, it would all get better. I asked several times to be referred to an ENT or a neurologist. My primary care doctor refused to refer me to any other doctors. At one point, my pain was diagnosed as a sinus infection and antibiotics were prescribed, and I had an anaphylactic reaction to the antibiotics. It took 9 months to recover from this process, which was a sign of some greater issue or systemic problem. I still had pain and fatigue, and so I decided to contact my primary care again and ask if I could see someone else. I called, and my primary care doctor was on vacation. The on-call doctor who was covering his was incredibly nice and listened to me. On that call, the doctor referred me to a neurologist instantly. All I wanted to know was why I was having so much pain and why I had such big shift in energy. So I went to see the neurologist. He was gruff. He kept telling me what I was presenting to him was wrong, saying, "No, that can't happen." But he kept asking questions and he kept listening. The doctor then addressed my pain. He sorted through my issues with more questions. He wanted me to get some blood work. Within 2 days of the blood work, he called for another blood test. He had seen one marker in my blood results that he knew was off. A simple blood test that would change my life happened, and the course of treatment for my health changed. Early diagnosis means early relief. Early diagnosis also means more time to understand your disease and understand what you need to do to treat your disease. It means less pain. It can mean less bone damage. It can mean better outcomes. Knowing that you have multiple myeloma means you can avoid kidney function loss and dialysis. Thank you for listening to me. Thank you for giving me voice.